Hey guys, so it is Vlogmas day 8 and I'm getting ready for work. I hope you guys enjoyed last night's video, the cooking and stuff. I'm gonna try to incorporate more during Vlogmas because I cook almost every day except for the weekend when I'm at my dad's and I cook down there. But I hate to wake up and smell the food. Even though it smells good, I hate it. You know, I like to wake up and smell like the plug-ins or, you know, cinnamon from the Christmas, you know, acorn things or whatever. But I hate to smell the food. And you know, when I cook, I have to close all the bedroom doors and stuff because I hate to smell it on my coat and stuff. But that's what I'm doing. I woke up with a back pain. Like, I feel like I slept like this. But making coffee, I'm gonna get ready. I'm trying to catch up on Vlogmas. I feel like everybody's vlogs going up at the same time. And I have about an hour and like 15 minutes in the morning when I get ready. So I try to watch as much as I can, and then during lunch. But it's been nice. It's nice, you know. I feel like everybody's doing their thing. Everybody's, you know, being realistic because, you know, a lot of us work, come home, cook, pick up, food shopping, stuff like that. It's not like really everybody is at TJ Maxx all the time, is at Marshall's all the time, is at Burlington all the time, is at the mall, you know, we're in Sephora. That's not realistic. You know, you try to squeeze that in, you know, where you can, but that's not like an everyday thing. That might be something you do during your lunch break. You can run to the store real quick. There isn't a Sephora near me where I can go during lunch. Burlington, I might be able to get there and be in there, you know, 15-20 minutes, and I gotta go to be back in time. But you know, so I hate that it's so dark in the mornings, you know. Like, it's just so dark. And it's 6:30 and the sun won't come out for maybe another half hour or so. So let me prepare this, get ready, and I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, so just got ready. I picked up my hair in a ponytail because I don't know. The last couple of days I've been so congested and just so like, I'm not taking any medicine that would make me drowsy. Like, I take my allergy medicine, but it doesn't make you drowsy. But I just feel like I'm ready to just go. So I'm heading to work. Let me let this car warm up a little bit more. And then let me put the heat on because I'm so cold. So today I think I'm gonna make a whole chicken because the chicken I made for my dad looks so yummy and I've had it in my mind. Where's my tissue? My eyes have been watering and I don't know. So another gloomy day. I just finished taking a few pictures for Instagram, but it's cold. I don't know who you think you are with this little vest thinking you look cute, but it's cold. Luckily I don't have to walk anywhere or go that far, but it's cold. So let me go. You know, when it gets this time of the year, I love the holidays, but the darkness and the ugliness from no leaves and whatnot, it just that makes you feel like I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to go nowhere. I want to stay home in my cozy pajamas, you know. But you know, when the sun is out, you're like, okay, you know. But these gloomy days are just like. And they said that we were supposed to get a little sprinkle today, like a dusting of SNOW. I hope not, because I am not ready for that. I hate it so much. I hate driving in it. Ugh. And I have 5 days left of PTO time. 2 of them I'm taking next week because I have 2 doctor's appointments. And it's smack down in the middle of the day. Like, it's not even first thing in the morning or later in the afternoon. It's like one of those appointments that just your whole day is shot. And then I have 3 days, which usually I save for snow, because they know I work. As soon as a little dusting is in there, I'm like, oh, I gotta go. And they're like, stop it. It's fine. It's nothing. And I'm like, I don't know. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it for like right before New Year's. One of the girls at work had it, but she had her daughter had COVID, and she lives with her daughter, so she used up all her days. She has nothing left, and she had those days. So she's supposed to be coming back, I think, next week. If they're like, because I don't know if they pay you separate, like not your PTO time for stuff like that. Even though she's not the one that was sick, it was her daughter. I don't know if she qualifies for that thing, because if she does, then she's gonna take her days. If she doesn't, then I'm gonna take those days. But I don't want to be like, hey, can I have those days? You know, she already took her time, because that's kind of but that's what I have in mind. That's what I am planning, because come the 1st, you get your days again. And it seems like this coming year, a lot of the holidays are going to be on a Monday. So, you know, a lot of the times people will want that Saturday off, and they try to schedule their days like that, and you know. But I gotta look at the holiday schedule and see how I want to arrange my days and stuff. But I'm trying to save those last 3 days as much as I can, because I'm not trying to waste them on snow. Like, I would like to spend it with my family. My husband will be off, my son will be off, and I have to work. But if I can save it and we don't get any SNOW, that's what I'm going to do. So there's nobody out here. Is today a holiday? I don't see the buses. Usually I get stuck behind these buses that stop in every house. Like, and there's nobody. Let me shut up before I jinx myself and end up behind the bus. But so far so good. So let me let you go. I will see you during lunch or after work. Whenever I decide to do something. So there was a cop behind me when I was talking just a few minutes ago. And I was like, oh God, he's gonna stop me. But it's not like I'm on the phone, you know. I'm just talking to the phone. But he followed me all the way to the job and then ended up going to the Dunkin' next door. And I was like, oh God. So I stopped at the stop sign, waited a minute, turned, put my signal, and I'm like, damn, he's turning everywhere I'm turning. He made a left where I made a left, made a right where I made a... And I was like, shh. But he went to Dunkin', so it's fine. Oh my God, it's snowing. It doesn't look so bad. They said a dusting. This don't look like no dusting. And I got such a headache. I had to bring my hair down. I have such a headache. I'm gonna head home. I was gonna stop at the store, but no. And it is so cold. Like, up and everything, but it is way too cold. I don't know if you can see the snow, but oh my god, I gotta take an aspirin when I get home. My head hurts. I feel like right here. So it wasn't that bad today. It was actually a little bit slow, but sometimes slow makes the day feel long, you know. But I just want to go home, put on my pajamas, and relax. I'm gonna make a whole chicken today. I already had taken it out, but I want to go home and take an aspirin, because if I'm getting sick, I want to nip it in the bud. Make myself some tea. Maybe some coffee. Maybe some coffee. Something. But did you guys like the cooking video? Do you want to see more of the you know, like what I make for dinner and stuff? Or was the video too long? Even though it was 2 days worth, it was the 6th and the 7th, but I look so pale. Like, there was a customer that came in and she was coughing, no mask, and we, you know, we wear our masks, but they're not required, you know, because in Connecticut they're not required. But it's not like you could tell them, can I see your COVID shot, that you have your shot if you're coming in here with no mask. But she was just coughing, and it wasn't like she was like, you know, she was like, and I was just like, but she was saying how she's been sick for over a month. She's like, it's all here. It's like here. And I was just like, then stay home. Stay home. Like, but it's the cold and stuff. But I had my hair up in a ponytail up here, and I just think my head feels tender because I'm not used to having it up so high. But I'm gonna make myself some tea when I get home. I'm gonna get the chicken going, and I'll show you guys that, because that's what I'm on. I had to go get aluminum foil because that was my aluminum foil. Unbelievable. And it's snowing, so I was like, grr. So I'm gonna let this stand, right? And it's only 4:40, so like maybe 5:30 I'll make some white rice because I like the juice that it brought and I put it on the rice, and then we'll see. I should have had made one of the totones yesterday so I could make one today, but it's whatever. And then this will go out. So I'm gonna catch up on some Vlogmas and then we'll be back. So I have got such a headache. The chicken has like 43 minutes left. I'm gonna start the rice now. Make a little bit of salad. That's it. I'm not doing nothing else. And I don't even feel like eating. I feel like I wanna have like hot tea or like a soup. I took an aspirin so I don't feel like body ache, but I can feel like and it's probably just the cold, the weather, but so I'm gonna make this, the chicken, and I'm probably gonna end it here because I'm not feeling so well.